So, we're in our tent. There's massive spiders everywhere. And we're making Cameron kill him for us. Because we're scared.
Keep holding it.
Okay, sorry, wait. Hold on.
I missed it.
Wait, what about the thingy?
Oh no. I missed it.
What's up here? Oh, hold.
It's a rip. Oh, hammer fucking. No, I'm not going near it. Kyle do it.
No, we'll have to wait till it comes back out to play.
So we didn't.
No, now I don't know where to sleep. That corner was full of them, and this one.
Nah.
This killing was unsuccessful. But the other six.
The other ones were very successful.
We were very successful at killing.
Okay.
Let's go, spider killer.
I can't see it. Oh, let's get it out.
Maybe it went outside.
Hopefully.
Should we go look for it outside?
Maybe if I